This is Gemma's first trail ride ever. Cassidy King riding, Mom following.
Miller. Yeah.
I'm such a tool. What?
This opening, she might snort a lot.
Can't snort more than Miller here. Look at Tila. Tila and Miller. You guys coming for a trail too. Miller, you're gonna get kicked if you go behind Gemma.
Miller, get. Not doing the head bobbing.
No. I think she likes it.
Yeah.
Oh.
She's herself a trail lover.
Which is awesome, because that means maybe I won't be so nervous. She's not snorting or anything.
No. Her ears are off, but that's normal for a first trail.
And that's her paying attention. She's really like...
Oh, water, Gemma. Yeah.
We'll walk you through that on the way back, Gemma.
Good girl, Gem. Get off some blocks.
Well, I mean, she can't be too spooky. She got 2 dogs, somebody crisscrossing behind her.
Yeah. Talking loud and there's birds going on. I have a long rein on her too.
She just not even caring. Too bad I wasn't ballsy enough to try doubles on you, Gemma.